Kids, let's start learning phonic sound. A. A says A. A says A. Apple. B. B says B. B says B. Ball. C says K. C says K. Cat. D says D. D says D. The dog. E. E says A. E says A. Elephant. F. F says F. F says F. Fish. G. G says G. G says G. Grapes. H. H says H. H says H. Hut. Hut. I says E. I says E. E ice cream. J. J says J. J says J. Jug. K. K says K. K says K. King. L. L says L. L says L. Lychee. Says M. M says M. Man. N. N says N. N says N. Net. Says O. O says O. Orange. P. P says P. P says P. Parrot. It's a sun. T. T से duck. T से duck. The tap. The tap. U. U says up. U says up. U unicorn. U unicorn. V. V say V. V say V. Violet. Violin. W. W say va. W say va. Va watch. Va watch. X. X say kiss. X say kiss. X xylophone. X xylophone. Y. Y say yuck. Y say yuck. Yacht. Yacht. Z. Z says Z. Z says Z. Z zebra. Z zebra. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.